Looking for a labeling solution that handles every corner of your workspace? The PTouchPro is built to deliver durable, laminated labels perfect for everything from electrical panels and cables to garage tools and outdoor gear. Whether you're organizing a workshop or managing a complex job site, this label maker keeps your space clear and professional. What makes the PTouchPro stand out are its one-touch keys designed specifically for electrical identification. With dedicated buttons for cable wrap, cable flag, faceplate, and Serialize, labeling cables becomes fast and foolproof. Plus, you get access to 3 font styles and over 300 symbols, making it easy to create clear, professional labels that keep your worksite organized. Portability is essential when you're on the move. The PTouchPro's lightweight, durable design, paired with a detachable wrist strap, lets you take it anywhere your work leads. Powered by 6 AAA batteries or an optional AC adapter, you won't be caught without power during a busy day on site. The device's graphical LCD screen changes the game. It shows your label as you design it, so you can preview before printing with a simple button press. This feature helps avoid costly mistakes, saving you time and materials while keeping your workflow smooth. Versatility is built in with the PTouchPro. It uses Brother Genuine PTouch Z tapes in 4 widths: 3, 5 mm, 6, 0 mm, 9, 0 mm, and 12, 0 mm. These tapes come in a variety of adhesives and styles, ideal for tough environments like workshops and electrical setups, ensuring your labels last through wear and tear. One electrician shared how upgrading from a 12-year-old label maker transformed his work. The wire tags, gang box tags, and wire wraps gave his projects a professional edge. This label maker isn't just a tool, it's a way to boost your reputation and efficiency on the job. Imagine labeling cables and panels easily, knowing each tag can withstand harsh conditions. This durability means fewer relabels and clearer communication across your team, which ultimately improves productivity and safety on site. If you've ever dealt with labels that fade or peel, the PTouchPro's laminated tapes offer peace of mind. Resistant to moisture, abrasion, and chemicals, these labels stay legible no matter the environment. The range of tape widths also lets you customize labels for every need, from narrow cable wraps to wider faceplate tags. The Serialize function is a standout for managing complex wiring or equipment. It automatically numbers labels in sequence, saving you time and reducing errors. Combined with an intuitive interface and sturdy design, this label maker is ready for the demands of any busy workday. If you want to upgrade your labeling game, the PTouchPro is worth a look. It's designed for professionals who need clear, lasting labels and easy operation. Try it when you're ready to bring precision and professionalism to your workspace with durable labels and thoughtful features that help you work smarter, not harder.